Hey there, Kimberly here with Knit for Brains, and today we're going to continue our conversation about storage ideas, and we're going to be unboxing and putting this guy together. Hey there, Kimberly here with Knit for Brains, and as I've been talking about from kind of the beginning of the year is that, you know what, I need to have, I like my space, but I need to have a couple new little storage ideas kind of coming through to help organize my space just a little bit more, you know, just here and there. You guys see the pretty cute stuff. You don't see what's behind the camera. It's a little bit. So Michael's was having this sale on their storage. Big sale on storage right now. And it's probably happening through the end of January. So check them out. If it's not happening, if you watch this video and the sale's gone, just hang in there because they're always running sales, right? Anyways, I bought one of these last year and I think I paid pretty close to full price. I mean, I might have had like my $5 or $10 coupon or whatever it was, but I pretty much paid full price. These things right now are going for half price, $24.99, so $25 for this. And I have one already and I really like it. So we're going to go ahead and open this guy up. But before I do that, because I'm going to put it together, I got this box here. So we're going to take a look inside here. I wanted a way to organize my crochet hooks, because right now they're just kind of sitting around in coffee mugs everywhere. And if I had a way to organize them in you know, like in one place so I could see all the sizes, that was one of the ideas that I had. So I'm hoping that that's what I got in here. All right, so this came from Michael's. Michael's stuff. Some kind of a display piece. Yeah, well, that's good. All right. Michaels.com. Now, I said this before. A lot of you were like, well, I don't have a Michaels that's close to me. One person, bless your heart, went for the Karen cakes, the coconut cakes that I just did a show, which I loved, right? But she drove over an hour to get to her local Michaels, and I was like, oh, sister, like, good on you. I mean, I'm very fortunate that I have 3 Michaels, all within probably 15-20 minutes from me, depending, right? There's one Joann's and there's one Hobby Lobby. The Joann's is a little bit farther away. But the online, like I got this all online, and orders that are over $49 ship for free. It's not hard to get to $49. Even if you don't pay $49, even if you don't get the $49, the shipping is pretty minimal. But then it's just shipped right to your house. So I don't know, for those of you that are, you know, stuck in the snow and stuff, oh man, I feel for you. I feel for you. You know, maybe you don't have to go out so far. We've all had pretty nasty weather. We live here in San Diego, and if you weren't paying attention and watching, well, we had some terrible floods. We didn't get hit by them because we're a little bit higher up on a hill, so everything kind of goes down. There's nobody above us. But boy, oh boy, there are some people down south from us, and they really got hit hard, and I just feel bad. I feel really bad. So anyways, so we're all having weather, but I feel for you guys back in, like, you know, Buffalo and parts of New York and Chicago and Minnesota, and hang in there, people. Stay warm. Spring is a-coming. Spring is a-coming. All right, so I found these boxes on Michael's, and they were $1.86. They came out to $18.50. But I just thought these were good little craft boxes. I hope that I thought they were a little bit bigger, but that's okay. Come on, get out of here. There we go. So I thought these would be good for like little yarn or like a project box, you know, if I'm working with yarn or something like that. That was sort of my idea, that I could put little scraps of yarn in here, my excess balls and things like that. So I got 10 of them, $1.86 a piece. Okay, fine. So I got these guys. This I was excited about. This was on sale. Comes out to $12.74. $12.74. It is, yes, I am excited about this. Now this I have not seen in the stores. Maybe I just haven't seen it, but I did not. This is a crochet hook holder. Isn't that cool? And then of course, you know, down here at the bottom you can put in your scissors, notions, whatever you want to do. It's a little dusty. There's a lot of openings for crochet hooks here. So my idea, I think, is I'm going to put it probably somewhere like here. Or actually, I'll probably put it over here. That's a better spot for it, over here. Yeah. So I can just reach over and get whatever crochet hook I need. This is a great, great storage idea. Yeah. And all, because I have all these little cups sitting around like this guy. And these take up space. But this, I'm just going to put it in here. And I guess you could kind of, well, so it kind of goes by size, but I guess you kind of go up inside of it. I don't know. Yeah, I guess it's going to go like that. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, it is. Okay, that's okay. I like this. I'm good with this. I'm really good with this. I mean, I was hoping it was going to go like by size, but it's not, because I have the ergonomics, and the ergonomics are a little, you know, because the handles are all different. But so we're just going to put, now some of my crochet hooks do come with the boxes or like a stand kind of a thing, and I'll keep those in there. But for all of my just like random hooks, I'm putting it in something like this. And so I'm excited about that. My Fire hooks. I got some new Fire hooks this week. Well, they should be coming in this week. And they come hopefully with their own case. So I'm excited about that guy. All right. And like these guys, see, I could take this. Ouch. All right, I can take this, and I just have these little random balls of yarn like that, and just pop them in there. This is my little bit of Noro Yarn Silk Garden, so I could just kind of do one of these things. That's good. Yeah, I can find uses for these. Yeah, and I'll just have these sitting around. Okay. Yay. Now, let's talk about this other big thing. This was very easy to put together the last time. I got this. It is the Lexington 3-tier rolling cart. The idea is that I want to kind of put it over here in my space, and I can put my projects in there that I'm working on currently, maybe even some books. I have a bookshelf, but I've now run out of space on my bookshelf. Again, I was like, gosh, for $24.99, that's a really good deal. And they have these in all different colors, white and black, but cute colors, fashion colors like blush, champagne, gold. I like rose gold. That's my signature color. Ooh. But that color was out of stock. So I got this color instead. great storage. So this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be putting my yarn. These are for projects that I'm like currently working on. We'll stick them right in there. And I'm just going to put this over to the side. Yeah, baby. I'm digging this. All right. So $24.99 at Michael's on sale. Currently, they're like $49.99. It's got 3 nice drawers. It's got roller. It's got wheels. And there are some accessories you can buy. You can actually get a top if you want to cover this. If you want to have this, which I have. And there's other things I think you can hang off at the side. So you can have little things to hang off to put your scissors, tape measures, anything like that. So if you're going to be doing yarn, you could be doing Cricut stuff or scrapbooking or pretty much anything. These are really great little storage things. So mine's going to be going right here. So you'll be seeing that a lot. Thanks so much for watching. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't just follow along and comment, but if you hit the subscribe button, that's when you'll be getting all the notifications of all the videos that I'm posting. I'm trying to post at least 2 a week, but lately it's been like 3, even 4, just because things are coming up. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, like and subscribe, and tell your friends about us. Our numbers have doubled in the last month, and they're just going to keep on growing. So thank you guys so much for subscribing, for talking to your friends about me, about us, about this channel. Make sure you join that Facebook page, which is Kimberly at Knit for Brains. I'm going to include the link below here in the show notes, along with the link for this nice little storage container. So you can join us on Facebook. Post pictures of your projects. If you're interested in some of the patterns that I'm working on, if they're free, I'm going to post them on the Facebook page under the Files tab at the top. If they're paid for, then I'm going to go ahead and post it as well. You can follow the link through and then decide to, buy it if you want to. But if it's a pattern that I made, I'm going to make them for free. I'm going to include them over there. If it's a pattern that I found that's free, I'm going to go ahead and include them over there as well. Thanks so much for watching. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. And as always, I'll see you soon.